Welcome. In this video I will show you how to copy and paste different materials, for example text, messages, images, files, etc. on your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. To begin, let's create an empty text file, text document right here. Let's open it and let's type in something right here. For example, let's type hard reset. And if you want to copy text, you just have to select the entire text or a part of it by holding down the left key of your mouse and dragging it over an object that you want to select. And once you select the object, you have to right click your mouse and tap on the copy icon over here. And now when you want to paste things anywhere, you have to right click once again and select paste, or you can do it differently by just pressing Ctrl V shortcut on your keyboard. And you can as well copy things using Ctrl C shortcut like that. So you just select a part of the text, or let's just select the entire text and then tap on the Ctrl V to paste it. And that's basically how you copy and paste text. Now if you want to do the same with files, I'll show you how to do that in a while. For now, let's close it. Let's go to the File Explorer. Let's select, for example, Pictures folder. Let's go to our Screenshots folder. And if you want to copy and paste screenshot or any other file, you just have to tap on. You either have to right-click it and select Copy. Right now, it's over there at the top, and then paste it by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or you can do it using your shortcuts. So just tap on the image and tap Ctrl C, then tap anywhere else and tap use Ctrl V to paste it. As you can see, we have two copies in the same directory, so they're both signed as copies. This is the copy of this one picture, and this is a copy of the copy. So it says copy two times in the name. But if you paste it anywhere else, for example, let's take our original picture, this one, and paste it into the documents directory. Well, as you can see, the name didn't change because there's no such file in this directory. We can do it with anything else we have here. For example, let's take a screen recording and paste it to documents folder. And as you can see, we just copied a screen recording. We can as well cut things out so that they don't stay in the original directory. Instead of that, they will move into the place we want them to. To do that, just use right click and select cut right here, and then just like before, right click paste. Windows tells us that there is already this file in this directory, but we can skip it for now because we know that we got it from there. But we can also use a shortcut of Ctrl X and paste it anywhere else by using Ctrl V. And as you can see, we got our screen recording here right now, but in the documents from where we cut it out, there is nothing here except for the screenshot that we pasted here before. And basically that's all I have to say about copying and pasting things. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like, and a comment below.